Hey Gemini, this is Vishudha for Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, please note that this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone. In case it doesn't resonate with you, please don't leave any negative comments. Do check out the other placements. If those also don't resonate with you, please let it be. You can check out other tarot readers as well. Please kindly refrain from leaving any negative comments. Firstly, it doesn't reflect on you, reflect well on you, and secondly, there's so much negativity already present around us. Why add to it? Gemini, the first card is Ace of Cups. A new passionate, emotional, beautiful beginning is on the horizon for you. Oh wow. Knight of Cups. This is definitely a love reading. Somebody wants to extend a love offer to you, Gemini. This could be somebody you've studied with, but I don't see you guys being really receptive to it. Why? What happened? Somebody really wants to, communicate with you regarding a new love offer. Gemini, are you okay? Okay, this is your energy. Oopsie. Gemini, what's happening? I feel you guys are really paying attention to the practical side of life. You're not paying attention to love, emotions, um, basically anything and everything to do with the heart. Why? Probably in the recent past, you felt some pain. I'm getting these burdened energies. You've taken up extra work. You're trying to pay attention to other things, trying to divert your mind from love, away from love. Why? Somebody really wants to communicate with you, but I feel there are two people who want to communicate with you, Gemini. There are two knights and lots of communication. I see that. One is somebody who thinks from the heart and wants to offer you the love, care, and warmth that you deserve. And the other one really just wants to possess you, like have you in their life. And, they are the practical part, the practical person that only thinks from their mind and not their heart. But I think you're going to choose, you have to make a decision, Gemini. Sooner or later, you will have to take this decision to as to who to, give a chance to and who to leave. Gemini, you've got the King and Queen of Swords. I feel there's a battle going on between the head and heart. Who would win? You've got Cancer energy over here. I have strong feeling that the heart is going to win. Cancer deals with the heart. You've got Piscean energy as well. Either you are dealing with somebody who is a Piscean or you're dealing with somebody who has a lot of secrets. Decide who you want to be with, Gemini. One is passionate, the other one is practical. One is emotional, the other one thinks about being mechanical. They have a set pattern and they stick to that pattern. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but right now you need to bring back balance in your life, Gemini, and that will only happen when you leave what doesn't belong to you and start concentrating on what is coming your way. Concentrating on what is coming your way so that you can take a proper step You can take action towards who you really want in your life. Take a proper decision, guys, Gemini. Because right now I'm getting a lot of mixed emotions. Yeah, I think somebody who's been a part of your life and hasn't been there lately is coming back. He or she wants to offer you something new, but they come with secrets and they've given you a lot of pain. So I don't think you need to go to this person, Gemini. Why would you go to somebody who's given you so much pain? And then there is somebody new, Gemini. You've got the Queen of Cups also. Wow. I'm pretty sure in this battle of between head and heart, you will choose whoever your heart chooses, because the one that your mind is thinking about, your brain is thinking about, is somebody who's from your past. And this person has let you down once, Gemini. So be open to new love, Gemini, and make sure that you don't take any hasty decisions just because the person from your past is a familiar devil. And it's okay to, at least you know where they could go wrong. But this new person will need hard work and effort from scratch, and probably you're not willing to give this new person a chance, because who would want to start from scratch and then go through that whole process? But I think, Gemini, this love is worth waiting for. So don't take any hasty decisions, please. Think about everything that you need in a partner, want in a partner, and then weigh your pros and cons accordingly. Yeah, in this battle between head and heart, you will choose the heart. Let's see some oracle messages, Gemini. Now, these may or may not be directly related to the tarot, but you can take them however you want. Romance, love, new romantic energies, romantic partners finding their way to you, Gemini. You've also got the card of weight. As I mentioned, do not take, look at the card, soulmate relationship. Do not take any hasty decisions. Don't rush into action right now. Bide your time for better results, Gemini. Emotions are running high. Of course they are. I think we'll just relate these oracles with the tarot because they're too connected to each other. A time for healing. Yes, choose yourself first, Gemini, and then make a choice between two people. Don't let pride get in your way. You've got one full moon, which indicates a major ending. Spend time in nature and surrender. Sometimes when you hold on too tightly, it just either burns your hand or slips away. And you don't want either, right, Gemini? So just let it go. Just let it go and see what stays. Weight of the world. Oh, look at this card, Gemini. Doesn't it look like you're holding the weight of the world on your tiny shoulders? Yeah. If it's not something that serves you, Gemini, I'll just keep it here, otherwise I'll twist it. If it's not something that serves you, Gemini, just let it go. It says let it go and it's not yours to carry. I'm not kidding. I don't know if it's focusing or not. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Probably you can, but that's what it says. So don't try to hold on too tight. It's not going to help. Let's see what the universe has to say to you, Gemini. My vibes speak louder than my words. Pretty. I'm not going to put it near the camera because it's not focusing and it'll just irritate the eye. The other card says, in every moment, the universe is conspiring to bring me toward right minded thinking and the energy of love. This card. Pretty. I just wanted you to see the colors. This is so beautiful, vibrant. Gemini, let go of what doesn't serve you, please. And if you like this reading, if it resonated with you, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.